Hey everyone, want to download PowerShell 7 for your Windows computer? PowerShell 7 is Microsoft's latest cross-platform command line shell and scripting environment, offering better performance, improved compatibility, and new features compared to Windows PowerShell 5.1. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to download PowerShell 7 safely from the official source. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. Yeah, you can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser installed on your computer. Next, go to the official Microsoft Learn Download page or the official PowerShell GitHub releases page. Downloading from Microsoft's official sources ensures you get the latest authentic and secure version. Select the installer that matches your operating system. I mean, if you're using a standard 64-bit Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, choose the Windows x64 MSI installer. If you're using an ARM-based device, select the ARM64 version instead. Click the download link and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and verify that the installer file has been saved successfully. Yeah, you're now ready to install PowerShell 7. Before running the installer, close any unnecessary applications and make sure you have administrator privileges on your computer. I mean, this helps ensure the installation completes without interruptions, and that's how to download PowerShell 7 safely from the official source. Once the installer is downloaded, you're ready to install the latest version and start using its powerful scripting and automation features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.